Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I miss you so much, by the way, boys and girls. Okay, we're still in Unit 6, but this week will be week number 4. Okay, I want you to look at the picture here and tell me, what do you see? Who is this boy? Who is this woman who's sitting beside him? What are they doing? I think she's his grandmother. What do you think? Right? But what is she doing? Have you ever seen your grandmother doing such a thing? Hmm? Okay, let's see. What are we going to talk about today? Okay, sharing traditions. Essential question: what traditions do you know about? Now let's read this together. Pass it on. Pass it on. Let's watch our weekly opener video.
Sharing traditions. What traditions do you know about? It's fun to learn the traditions of your family. You can make special foods together. Cooking is a delicious way to share traditions. Here, a traditional folk dance is performed at a fair in India. Children learn the dance movements so they can teach them to others someday. Crafts and other projects are also traditions. You might learn how to knit a special pattern. Or you could learn how to make colorful shapes with origami, the Japanese art of paper folding. What traditions do you know about? And who shared them with you?
Okay. Now our food can be tradition too, like the food that we eat here in Saudi Arabia, such as kebsa, jarish, and so on. The dance that you dance here in Saudi Arabia, the famous or the special dance in Saudi Arabia, we call it arda, right? When men hold the sword and start dancing with the sword and so on. Now this is something tradition, something we do, or our parents and grandfathers and used to do it from a long, long time ago, and we're still doing it until now. Now let's go to our vocabulary. So let's see, what does tradition mean together? Tradition.
Tradition. It's a tradition in Jorge's family to have a big party on the first day of summer.
This is something they like to do together every year, okay? When summer comes. So it's a kind of tradition thing they like to do. Okay, oh, sorry. Let's go back to the vocabulary again and start with this word. Okay, let's read this word together. Before. Before. And let's see, what does it mean?
Before. They read before going to bed.
What do you do before going to bed? Okay, okay, now let's see this. Front. Front.
Front. The dog walks in front of the girl.
So who is in front of the girl? Who is passing, or who is the first? Which one is first, the girl or the dog? So the dog is in front of the girl. He is first.
Heard. Have you heard Dad play?
Heard. Have you ever heard the song before? Have you ever heard Miss Ria singing before? I don't think so, right? Okay, now let's move to the other word. Okay,
Push. Mom will push the sled.
so mom.
Push. This is the word push. Say it with me. Push.
Push. Now try to push something that's near to you. Can you do this? Find something and push it. Okay. Oh, let's see. What is this word? Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. I hope it will be sunny tomorrow.
I hope it will be raining tomorrow because I love rain. Now today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be what? Boys and girls. Okay, let's see. Your.
Your. I'm glad to meet your mom.
Where is your mom? Or where is your thing? Okay. Now this is our new vocabulary word, or the first vocabulary word for this week. It's difficult. Difficult. Difficult is the opposite of easy. Difficult, like it's something really hard and you can't do. Okay?
Difficult. This puzzle is difficult to do.
Nobody. Remember this word? We took it last week. Nobody. Nobody.
Nobody. Nobody is on the porch.
Nobody's going to school nowadays. Poor us, boys and girls. I miss you so much. Okay, now I would like you to grab your term book and please open it, page 308. Okay, let's do our high frequency words together. So, complete each sentence, use one of the words in the box. So here we have before, front, heard, push, tomorrow, and your. Number 1, let's wash up, we eat lunch. So what do we do before we eat lunch? We wash up. So let's wash up before we eat lunch. Number 2, is this book or mine? Is this your book or mine? Number 3, I helped mom paint the door. Which door? Number 4, we the thunder. Number 5, will you me on the swing? You need someone to help you in what on the swing when you're in the swing? Push. Good job. And the last one, I have art class today and soccer tomorrow. Now, move to the other page, page 309, and let's see what does these two words mean. Difficult. Something that is difficult is not easy. Nobody means no person. Complete each sentence with a word from the word box. You will use each word 2 times. So we have difficult and we have nobody. Number 1, riding a bike can be for some and easy for others. Difficult. Number 2, I heard a knock at the door but was there. Okay. Number 3, do you think it's more to make a kite or to fly it? Number 4, Mrs. Lu asked if anyone lost a notebook but spoke up.